Hey, what's up, man? It's your boy Will Diesel. We're back at it, man. Today we actually going to a truck show. Shout out to Gear Jammer magazine. Yeah, man, they setting up a show right now, and we're on our way. We're like 46 minutes away. We're about to see some nice ass trucks, some nice ass rigs, and we catch up over there in a few, man. Y'all gonna see what's up. Damn. Damn, my eyes almost went to the truck entrance. I forgot I'm in the car today. I'm expected today. But this shit nice as hell, man. Check the view out, man. So far, y'all saw them little nice ass trucks pulling up, and look, there it is, guys. We arrived. Yeah. Woo-hoo! Check this out. Old school, man. Pick this Peterbilt, man. Wow. But I'm falling. Watch this one. Oh my God. Damn, another one, man. Nice. Nice. Oh my God. I took a picture of this at the time, guys. Check this Peterbilt out. There's another one nice. Look at that. And they got this shit in the back. Yeah, in the nighttime, this shit would look fire. The spikes, I always like the spikes on it. I'm gonna be honest, yo, these trucks like that in person, I never really seen them until I really just see it now. Like, wow. Wow. Damn, this truck is huge, actually, man. Damn, this shit's actually big as hell. Now, this truck might not even be 13.6. This shit might be 15.6. It's huge. Wow, guys. My God.
I like that.
Look at this one right here. Check this one out. There's something about they heard you in the video. Anyways, she don't want to be in my video, she said, but I don't know why. There's something about trucks like this, yo, that I love when they have these trailers on. I don't know why, man. I think it's just the shininess and shit. Look at that. Look how shiny these wheels are. These wheels are big, yo. What the hell? They're too big. That's insane. Shout out to Massachusetts, man. They did this one. They did a good job on that one too. I like this too. Check out the floor mat. Nice. Yo, bro, next time I come over here, I gotta have my own truck. Damn. It says, thank you, Justin, for all the beautiful memories, the laughter, the joy, and the light you bring to our life. You forever live in our hearts. Wow. With the old truck. Wow. You could tell this thing was moving stuff. You could tell it was moving stuff. Check this one out, guys, man. There's another Peterbilt. And they got another truck. Oh, sorry. Nice. Look at that. Fire. And they got the food and stuff right here. Yeah, they chilling, yo. They chilling. They chilling. These are shiny as hell, yo. He's definitely the same company. Keep the trailers, man, like I said. Beautiful. Damn. Check this ride right here, guys. And it matches this. So I feel like they go together, right? Nice, man, nice. I don't know how sometimes these trucks cost more than a semi truck. It's crazy to me, but they do. My God, look at this one. My God. The tow truck, that's the one that if you get broke down, no, if you break down in the highway or something, these are the tow trucks for those type of trucks. Yeah, yeah. So shout out to them. Dang, look at that one right there. I just love Peterbilts, man. Look at this stuff. Look at that one. Yo, oh, so far so good. I've seen amazing trucks, yo. These trucks are, oh my God. Look at this one. Oh my God.
I wish I could tell you.
Shout out to Kenworth. Oh, fire. All the Kenworth, yo. I'm not gonna lie, Kenworth got some hard ass shit too. There's some blue truck over there. I'm gonna see you next soon. Damn, I see, yo, over there they got some good shit. Anyways, guys, man, we at Gary Jammer Magazine, man. These people have been doing it great, man. This is actually my first time coming up, and they actually surprised me with everything. We got some stuff here for sale. This is the line for I don't know what. Maybe to get something to eat. I'm not sure. Fire, right? Sorry, sir.
So shiny.
Yeah, it's shiny. Look, you can see everything. I'm about to go check it out. They got this shit open. I don't know what it is. I'm about to go see right now. Fire.
Oh.
Fire. Ooh, this is
nice.
Different. What is this? Like, I don't even know what type of bread. Oh, this is Kenworth. I'm telling you, they got some crazy shit, guys, man. Look. Nah, they OD'd it. They really OD'd it, man. Look at that. That's real clean. Wow. Look at that over there. Check all these out, man. Damn, but look at this color right here. Wow. I always liked those little windows like that because it looks like little eyes, right?
Yeah,
oh my God. Nah, they'll deal with this blackout. This is definitely the blackout. Damn. Oh my God. Nice. And peep the color, yo. The color is different.
I've never seen a Peterbilt that looks like this.
Huh?
I've never seen a Peterbilt that was round. Like
yeah, that shit's crazy.
Look at the little doggies. Isn't that cute?
I fuck with it. You see, I love trucks like this. This is like the one that we saw over there earlier. Big dog, man. That's one right here with the black and yellow. Nah, this is OD. They OD'd it with this one.
That one is fire. Like, nobody has texture.
Yeah, they OD'd it. They really OD'd it. Yeah, he came different.
Wow, that's fire.
Like-
Look, he got little eyes, lights.
Yeah,
Mira, he can go ojo. Man, I wish I could take a picture of there.
that's just fire the way he did that. I'm not even gonna lie.
Look, man.
He OD'd it. Check that one out, man. Check that shit out. Bro, they really OD'd it, bro. They OD'd it. Damn. Oh my god. If I'm not mistaken, this shit says Apple something in the back. Oh my god, that's the one I saw in the highway. Nice. I'll be honest, yo, they really OD'd it with this one. They OD'd it with this one. Sorry, restroom, out of order. Boom, you got the big truck. Not that you got the big truck, but you also got the little truck. Nah, that's OD.
Show him the custom.
They really OD'd it. Wow. Come on. Nah, they really OD'd it. They OD'd it. Everything is sour apple, look. Wow. Damn, that shit sound nice. That shit sounds like it's about to take off. Look at this one, man. Nah, that shit sound nice. What the hell? Check this nice tow truck, man. It's a nice tow truck. We're in Connecticut, by the way, guys, man. This place is, they did it in Connecticut. And we are here. Check out this nice right here. Check out this Kenworth. Y'all gonna be honest, yo, Peterbilt and Kenworth are like the most exotic. Look at these lights. Wow. Nice, man. I'm gonna be honest, I've been trying to take pictures, but I can't because I just been recording and it's just, I'm amazed. So D. Look at that one. Wow, man. Wow. Man, hey, you know what? Shout out to everybody that came out to get Jammer Magazine, man. This was actually for my first time coming over here to the show. I actually had fun, man. Check this out. Wow. Wow. I don't know which one this truck is for. Check this one out, guys, man. This one looks, wow.
Loving memory of Uncle Bill.
Where is that?
Nigga don't even know where the fuck I'm from. Right here.
Oh shit. Now you guys gotta check out this tow truck. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Wow. Look at that. Mickey. Shout out to Mickey, man. You did good, man. It's actually a nice rig right here. And I don't know, for some reason I go here, it's like black. But then I go here, it's like purple. Yo, that's kind of fire. Wow, man. Look at that.
Thank you to all of our vendors who were here.
Wow. Check out this, man.
Just about 200 entries for today's event here at Truck for Charities.
Beautiful.
We want to thank you for coming out. We are
damn.
to the process.
How would I get up there?
In a little while. T-shirts are still available for today's event. So get
Goodness, yo.
T-shirts.
Oh my God. It's like a turbo. No, it really is a turbo. Over there, look on the blue thing.
Because I'm trying to take a picture of I see you in the glass.
Oh my God, I want to hear this shit turn on. Western Star, best straight truck, best sleeper, best fleet, best Tryliner. I like this ride right here. Nice ride, G. Check out this ride right here also, man. Wow. That's clean. Nice and clean, man. See that right over there? Yo, he's slick, cause look, everything is over there, but I gotta check out that truck. I gotta check it out. Check out this tow truck, man, that was hiding. Look, he was hiding. The truck's just over there, but I see what he was hiding. Oh my God, bro. Dang, look at the size of this. What the hell? Like, look at my hand, bro. Look at that. Wow. And it's not for hire. Fire, man. Fire. You see, yo, I don't know why, but I love exhaust like that. Cause I'm gonna be honest, that shit's fire. Fire, fire. And I love these type of tanks right here. There you go, guys. Actually, one of the guys that got an award is the guy with the Yankees truck.
All right, now we got
all the
Western
stuff.
Star. Second place, Mark Boyle with Fourth Arrow Trucking.
Nice, man. Best of the show.
All right, one left, the big one, Best in Show, Wayne with M&W.
This guy got 2 trophies already. I want to know what truck he
Best
got.
Cigar and Show.
Alright, guys, so I'm going to tell you guys something. Out of all the trucks that was here, I'm going to be honest, there was a lot of nice trucks. A lot of you guys put a lot of effort. I like everything that I saw. But I'll be honest, this one was one of my favorite ones. This one, and also the Apple one, that one was really good. I really liked that one, the way everything was shaped. Everything looked real nice. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Look, they're rolling. And this one, they were really my favorite ones, yo, out of the whole show. And honestly, good job, man, guys. Good job, man. Yo, the sound of that jailbreak is insane, yo. Like, I'm telling you, yo, something about the brrr. Yo, I love that shit, bro. That shit's really OD, man. Yo, it's really OD. And honestly, look, I'm about to hear a couple more, man. Y'all better blame them shits. Bro, look at damn, bro. And he actually won best in the show. Come on, my nigga. How the fuck you not gonna win the best in the show with some shit like this? Like how? That's how you do it. Dio. We got the other twin right here. Back with the big rig. That shit look nice though, I'm not gonna lie. Fire. Shout out to the two guys right here, bruh, a son and a father. A son and a father, and they both got an award. One of them got first, and the other one got second. Like, that's fire, yo. Come on, man, they did it. Everybody's showing love, man. Everybody gotta get love. Nah, this shit's fire, bro. All black. That shit look good. See that new color, yo, that new color right there is different. Like, it's not black, it's not blue, it's not red, it's none of that shit. That shit is nude, and that shit's actually a fire color. Okay, what we got here going on? Yes, sir. Dang, that shit sound like it wanna be out. And the back is like this. So if I feel like the back is like this, that means that shit fuck around Willie. Yeah, that shit sound nice, bro. Nice. Fire. So the GoPro just died on me, man, so I have to use the phone. We're still gonna do it. Okay, Brutus. Nah, I can't believe those tow trucks right there. Those tow trucks, yo, they're really expensive. They could go to like $1 million, yo, for real, for real. At first, I was confused. I'm like, what type of truck is this? But I just remember these are the car ones. Car hauler. Hey, wrong way, my friend. Wrong way, my friend. Anyways, guys, man, look at that view, man. Actually, they picked a good spot. because this spot right here was actually perfect. Like, I don't even know why, but like, it was perfect. You could put trucks over there. There could be trucks over here. Like, nah, they really OD'd it. Like, they really OD'd it. And honestly, they said that they want to make this a better, next time they want to be a bigger show. So I feel like they really are going to have a bigger show. It's going to be crazy trucks, and I could feel it. And maybe, hey, I'll probably come in my truck rather than the car. And thank you guys to watch this vlog, man. I got more coming. And thank you again to the Gear Jammer magazine. Thank you for organizing this, because this is actually good for the people and for truckers and for kids. Honestly, it was actually really good. And yeah, man, hopefully next year is good and it's better.